Good morning, class 10th. So, today we start the exercise 5.3 of chapter 5. Now, in this exercise, we study about the sum of the terms. Suppose a series is given like A1, A2, A3, AN. A1, A2, A3, AN. If the question is saying that find the sum of all the terms, if I add, then what is the answer? So, the simple formula is there for that. Sn is what? N upon 2, that 2a plus n minus 1 d, where n is the number of terms, a is the first term and d is the common difference. So from this formula using you can find the number of terms. Now we directly move to the exercise 5.3. I think it is already open in that video also. Exercise 5.3, question number 1, find the sum of the following AP. Like AP is given 2, 7, 12 to 10 terms. Now it is given that up to 10 terms, means A is what? First find what is the value of A. A is what? 2. Now what is the D? D is what? 7 minus 2. Okay, that will be 5. And N, the number of terms are 10. So this will be the formula. Some formula, one more formula is there that you can apply this also, or that depend on the question. Sn is equals to n upon 2 a plus an. This is also formula. This we will use when the last term is given. Okay, in this question last term is not given, only the number of terms is given. So now apply that formula. Sn is equals to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. N is 10. That 10 upon 2, 2a is what? 2 plus n will be 10 minus 1, d will be 5. It will be 5, that 4 plus that 9, 9 5s are 45, 45 plus 4, 49, and that 49 multiplied by 5, it will be that 9 5s are that 45, 4 will be carry, 5 4s are 20, 245 will be the answer. That 245 will be the sum of the n terms of an AP. Now same as it is that the second part. Now we will go for the third part. Third part or fourth part, one part I will do. Which one will be harder? I think fourth. Fourth part I will do. Fourth part is that 1 upon 15, 1 upon 12 and 1 upon 10 up to 11 terms. Now find the sum. First a is what? 1 upon 15, then d will be second term minus first term, that is 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 15. So if we will solve, the LCM will be what? 60. In the table of 12 it will come 5 times, and in the table of 15 it will come 4 times. So 1 upon 60 will be the D. And n will be the 11 terms. Now all the things noted down first and I will erase them. After that we have to put the value in that formula. Now I will write directly 1 upon 60. Now Sn n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. N is 11 upon 2 2a means 2 upon 15 plus 11 minus 1, it will be 10, and d will be 1 upon 60. That's 0 and 0 we can cancel. So here we get 1 upon 6 only. So 11 upon 12, 11 upon 2, 2 upon 15 plus 1 upon 6. Now the LCM is 30. In the table of 15, 15 2s are 30, 2 2s are 4. And in the table of 6 5s are 35. So after that, 11 upon 2 multiply 5 plus 4, 9 upon 30. Then 99 upon 60, we can cut by the table of 3. Then by the table of 11. And this will be the answer, 3 upon 2. 1 upon 50. Now we go for the question number 2. I will check the answer of this also. Okay. Now question number 2. First part, find the sum of the given terms. Question number 2, that first part, in an AP, find the sum of given below. First one is 7 plus 10, 1 upon 2 plus 14 plus 34, means the last term is given 84. Okay, the last term is given in this one. Now we have to find the sum. So first, what is the A? A will be 7. Now D. D is second term minus first term, that 10 2s are 20, 21 upon 2 minus 7. Okay, now what is the LCM? 2, 21 minus 14, it will be 7 upon 2. And AN is given this time, 84. So we can apply the formula of Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus an, but the one thing is that the value of n is not there in the given question. Okay, so how we can find the value of n? By applying the formula of an. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. An value is 84, a is 7 plus n minus 1, d is 7 upon 2. Here we get the value of n. Now 84 minus 7 is equals to n minus 1, 7 upon 2. So now it will be 77 is equals to n minus 1, 7 upon 2. Now 7 will go down and 2 will go up. So what we get? 77 divided by 7 multiply 2 is equals to n minus 1. So it will be 11. 11 2s are 22. 22 is equals to n minus 1. It will be 23 is equals to n. So the value of n is what? 23. Now we will apply that formula Sn is equals to 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and you will get the value of sum. Here you can apply Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Now the value of n is 23 upon 2, 2a, it will be 14 plus n minus 1. 23 minus 1 is 22 and the value of d is 7 upon 2. We can cut by 11, 23 upon 2, that 14 plus 77, and when you solve you will get the value of sum. Clear this question? In this type of question we have to find the value of n first, then we have to go for the sum. Now same as it is that the second part you can do. Third part I will do the last question of the class. Then few questions we will discuss in the next class. That minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 plus minus 230. Okay, so what is the value of an? A plus n minus 1 d minus 230. A is minus 5 plus n minus 1. Now what is the value of d? D we have to find. Now look at that. A2 is minus 8, minus second term minus first term, it is minus 5. Okay. Now look at that. Minus 8 plus 5, it will be minus 3. So the value of d is minus 3. Now it will be plus minus 230 plus 5 is equals to n minus 1 minus 3. Now it will be minus 2 to 5 and minus 3 we can divide. Yes, sure. It will be in the multiply, okay na? Minus 3 will be in the multiply. So don't get confused. Minus 3 will be going the down in the bracket. 2 to 5 divided by minus 3 is equals to n minus 1. Minus minus cancel. 3 7s are 21. 3 5s are 15. So 75 minus will become here plus 1 is equals to n. The value of n is 76. Now you can apply the formula of Sn. Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus n 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, you will get the answer. So up to second question we completed. In the next class we discuss the question number 3. Thank you.